Hey, welcome back to another video. So the next chapter is called Siri. I want you to check out my playlist. We want to talk about these episodes because this is going to add value to you as a content creator as it relates to YouTube. So let's talk about this. We're talking about growth today, right? And we want to invest in learning. And what this means, we're not talking about money right now. We're talking about time, your time as you're learning, you want to implement. But first, it takes learning from someone else. So you can always check on YouTube who was your favorite content creator that you know have a large following, or you know they're producing. And it's about stats, right? You can see their stats, you can see that they're growing. So you want to be able to spend and invest some time, and what you can do is learn from them. SEO, which is search engine optimization. Another thing that you want to learn also is about marketing. What are the different type of marketing that you're going to be using to make improvement on your videos, especially if you are a beginner. You know, you can't do the same thing all the time. You have to test and tweak, learn different tactics and strategies as it relates to marketing. When it comes down to YouTube, packaging is everything. So you have to know how to market effectively. As it relates to monetization and stats, you want to check your RPM. You want to see what videos are giving you more RPMs, like every 1,000 view. And then also you want to check your stats thoroughly. That is important to do, because how you're going to know what videos to produce if you're not checking your stats. So that is important. Second thing is multiple stream. Well, the goal of your YouTube is to make sure that you're earning over time. So you may want to incorporate digital products, affiliate marketing, and also brand deals. A lot of people make a lot of money when it comes on to brand deals, but your channel has to reach a certain threshold, meaning that you have to have a large following, a large amount of views and things of that nature. But that is the overall goal for you to build multiple stream of income. Last but not least, thinking long term, right? So patient plus persistent equal earnings. So you want to come out here consistently, be patient with yourself, stop comparing yourself with others, because not because someone started 6 months ago and they are making millions, it doesn't mean that you're capable to do the same. You need to give yourself some grace. You need to give yourself some patience to learn this thing, because YouTube is not for everyone. But if you decide that you wanted to become a YouTuber, you have to take some time and learn this thoroughly. Don't compare yourself with others, because if you do that, you'll start to critique your videos. You're not going to have any drive. You're going to be unmotivated, so to speak. So you want to look into that. Be careful of that, okay? Don't compare yourself to others. And this is a quick short video today. I want to just share that with you as it relates to growth. You know, I decided to create these series of these videos so we can grow together when it comes down to YouTube. And I hope this video finds you well. What are your thoughts on this video? Let's talk about it.